Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Azmi Nugraha and I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And now I'm studying at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia as mahasiswa pertukaran mahasiswa merdeka. Today I'm gonna tell you about system life cycle. Okay, let's move on into the first slide. What is system life cycle? System life cycle is the process of developing, maintaining, and retiring information systems from conception through implementation. In the system life cycle, there are SDLC. What is SDLC? The software development life cycle, commonly referred to as SDLC, is an economical and time-effective methodology employed by development teams to produce top-notch software. The primary objective of SDLC is to guarantee that this software aligns with customer expectations throughout its creation and post-production phases, while also mitigating projects' risk through strategic planning. This approach outlines a series of stages that construct the software development process into manageable, attainable, and quantifiable assignments. Why is SDLC important? First, increase visibility of the development process for all stakeholders involved. And the second, efficient estimation, planning, and scheduling. And the third, improve risk management and cost estimation. And the fourth, systematic software delivery and better customer satisfaction. And how does SDLC works? SDLC works as planned. In the planning stage, crucial activities involve analyzing costs and benefits, developing schedules, estimating and allocating resources, simultaneously crafting a document specifying software requirement entails collecting input from stakeholders to define expectations and goals. This contributes to thorough project planning, incorporating cost projecting and timelines. In the software design stage, engineers analyze requirements, select technologies, and integrate modules while ensuring seamless incorporation into the organization's IT infrastructure. Implement. During implementation, the development team writes code, breaking down tasks from requirements into smaller daily coding objectives towards the final product. And there are test stage. The development team employs both automated and manual testing to identify software bugs and ensure alignment with customer requirements, often running testing and development simultaneously as some teams test their code promptly. And the deploy stage. During the deployment process, the software is packaged, configured, and the latest builds are installed into the production system. And there are maintenance stage. Maintenance teams closely monitor system performance, security, and user experience to determine where software improvements can be made. There are 5 SDLC models. The first of all is waterfall, and the second iterative, the third spiral, the fourth is agile, and the fifth is V model. Okay, let's talk about waterfall first. Waterfall prioritizes sequential and methodical stages. Its name derives from the fact that the process flows unidirectionally, similar to a waterfall. The waterfall approach must be executed consecutively in accordance with the established stages. Here are the steps in the waterfall methodology for software development. And the first is analysis, and the second is design, the third is implementation, and the fourth is testing, and the fifth deployment, and the sixth is maintenance. Okay, let's move on into the iterative models. The iterative model entails generating software specification and developing preliminary versions grounded on such specifications, carrying out iterative modification within predefined time frames, granting the possibility to revisit initial stages for the analysis of the change and culminating in the updated ultimate project outcome at the conclusion of the SDLC process. There are 7 phases of the iterative development life cycle. First of all is requirement collection and analysis, and the second design, the third implementation, the fourth step is testing, 5 steps is deployment, and 6 review, and 7 maintenance. Okay, next is spiral model. Spiral model combines the linear progression of the waterfall model with the iterative approach of the iterative model, providing the ability to adapt to projects with strict initial parameters, as well as allowing for early identification of risk at any point in progress. There are 4 phases for each development stage. One is stage, and the second is risk analysis. Third step is development, and 4 evaluation. And agile model. Agile development model is a type of incremental model. The software is developed in rapid and incremental cycles resulting in small releases, each one building on the previous functionality. Every release is thoroughly tested to maintain software quality, and this approach is best suited for time-critical application. Extreme programming, or XP, is one of the most well-known agile development lifecycle models. And the last is V model. V model is a linear development methodology utilized in the SDLC. It employs a waterfall-like approach with sequential phases. The first stage is a broad design phase, followed by increasingly detailed stages leading to coding and implementation, and finally looping back through all testing stages to complete the project. There are 9 stages involved in the V model, which are requirement, system design, architecture design, module design, implementation or coding, unit testing, integration test, system testing, acceptance test, and acceptance. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you get something from my video. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.